Good evening, students. Dear students, welcome to Race YouTube channel. Today we are discussing a section-wise grant test. A section-wise grant test, quantitative aptitude, paper number 221217. Next, SSC, banks, railways, CAT, ISET, CSAT, tspsc, APPSC, targeting government job. We help in reaching your goal. Join our institute. Here, total how many branches are there here? Total 6 branches are there. AMEERPET, DILSUKHNAGAR, KPHB, HIMAYATHNAGAR, Chaitanya Puri, Puram. Total 6 branches are there. If you want to any more information, please contact these numbers or visit nearest branches. Next, targeting government jobs in 2023. SSC, banks and railways. Total 10 lakhs vacancies are there. Here, what are that vacancies? Appointments for the post of Ministry of Railways, Home Ministry. Next, Revenue Department. Next, Defense. Total 10 lakhs vacancies are there. Vacancies in దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మీరు ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి. SBI, IBPS, RBI, SSC, CGL, CHSL, MTS, RRB, railways, tspsc, AP, PSC, targeting a government job. We help you in reaching your goal. Join our institute. Here total 6 branches: AMEERPET, DILSUKHNAGAR, KPHB, HIMAYATHNAGAR, Chaitanya Puri and Puram. Total 6 branches are there. These are the numbers. If you want to any more information, please contact these numbers. Next, give your best performance. Give your best performance, and also download the Race for Job app from the Google Play Store, and daily attempt free quizzes. Daily attempt free quizzes. Next, IBPS exams test series. Here 1000 plus tests are there. This price is 400 rupees only and validity 3 months. Next, SBI PO test series. Here 250 plus tests are there. This price is 300 rupees only and validity 3 months. SBI exams test series, 350 plus tests are there. This price is 400 rupees only and validity 3 months. SSC exams test series. Here 3800 plus tests are there. This price is 600 rupees only and validity 3 months. Next, YouTube, Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, all are race for job. All are a race for job. If you want to any more information, please subscribe these channels. Here, today we will start with the first question. Find out the missing number. Here, find out the missing number. Here 52,500, 2,100, 105, 0.5 question mark. Here observe students. Here starts with the biggest number and ends with the smallest number. Here starts with the biggest number and ends with the smallest number. Here divisibility is there. ఇలా ఉంటే మనం ఏం చేయాలి? Divisibility or moving in this direction. ఈ డైరెక్షన్ లో వస్తే మల్టిప్లికేషన్. If you are moving in this direction, divisibility is there. మనము ఈ డైరెక్షన్ లో వద్దాం మల్టిప్లికేషన్. Here observe students. 0.7 into 10 is 0.7 into 10 is 7. And next, here 7 into 15 is 105. And next, 105 into 20. 105 into 20 is 2100. Here observe. And next, here multiple with 25. Here 2100 into 25 is 525. 525. Here observe. We are moving in this direction. Multiple 10, 15, 20, 25. Here difference is 5. Next multiple with 5. Here multiple with 5. 5 తో మల్టిపుల్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుందో చూడండి. ఇక్కడ 0.14 into 5 value. What is the 14 into 5 is 70. 14 5 is 70. Here point is there after 2 digits. Here also placed a point after 2 digits. This value is 0.5. 0.5 is there. That's why which option is the correct one? 0.14 is the correct answer. Or లేకపోతే డివైడ్ చేయండి 0.7 by 5. Whatever it may be, 0.14 is the correct one. Next, here also observe. Here starts with the 201 and ends with 35. Here observe students, difference value is less. Difference value is less. Observe the differentiation. Here what is the difference value? Here 83. 83 add cheste 200. 83 add cheste 200 plus 1. 83 plus 1 is 84. Difference 84. And next here 27 add cheste 27 add cheste 100. 27 plus 17. What is that value? 27 plus 17 is 44. Next here difference. Here 50 anukunte 23. 23 plus 1 is 24. Next here difference. What is the difference value? This difference is 14. Next again observe the difference. Here difference is 40. Next here difference is 20. Next here difference is 10. Here observe cheste what is the half value of 40 is 10. 20. 20 lo half value is 10. What is the half value of 10? 5. Difference is 5. Here also subtract 5. 14 minus 5 is 9. Here subtract 9 from 35. 35 minus 9 is 26. Which option is correct one? Option 3 is correct. Next here also starts with the 216 and ends with 92. Here also difference is less value. Here observe the difference. What is the difference of these two numbers? 4. Here difference is 10. Next here difference. What is the difference value? 28. Next here find out the difference. 8. 74 plus 8 is 82. These are the difference value. Here a difference is 6. Next here a difference is 18. Next here a difference is 54. Here observe students, 6, 18, 54 is there. 6 into 3 is 18. 18 into 3 is 54. Next 54 into 3. 54 into 3 value is 1. ఏమవుతుంది 50 into 3 is 150. And next 3 into 4 is 12. 3 4 ఏమవుతుంది 12. 150 plus 12 162. Here add 162. 4. Next 14. 244. Subtract 244 from 92. 92 minus 244. What is this value? ఇక్కడ 100 subtract చేస్తే minus 144. 8 add చేయండి. ఇక్కడ 8 value ఉంది 152. Minus 152 is a correct one. Which option is correct one? Option 1 is a correct. Next here starts with the 7 and ends with the 104. Here also observe students. Here starts with 7 and ends with 104. Here observe the multiplication. 7 is there, 6, next 10. Here decrease and increase. Increased. Here observe 7 multiplication. 7 into 1 is 7. 7 into 1 is 7 minus 1. Next 6 into 2. 6 2 ja 12. 12 minus 2 is 10. Next 10 into 3 is 30. 30 minus 3 is, here observe, multiple with 1 and subtract with minus 1. Multiple with 2 and subtract with 2. Next multiple with 3, subtract with 3. Next 27 into 3. What is this value? Next 21 is 81. Here observe students, 27 into 4. Here 4. This is 3. Here multiple with 4 and subtract with 4. Next 1 we will get 104. Next multiple with 5 and subtract with 5. Here 104 into 5 value is 520. 520 minus 5 value is 515. Which option is correct one? Option 5 is correct. Next 16, 7, 6, 8, 15 question mark. Here observe students, 16 becomes 7. Next 7 becomes 6. Here observe, here 16, 16 into 0.5. 16 into 0.5. 16 into 0.5 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. Next 7 into 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. And next 6, here 0.5 is there, 1 is there. Next into 1.5. 16 into 6 into 1.5 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. That means multiple with 0.5 minus 1. Multiple with 1 minus 1. Multiple with 1.5 minus 1. Next 6 into 1.5 is the 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. Next 8 into 2 is 16 minus 1. Next 15 into 2.5. 15 into 25 is 375. 375. Place a point after one digit. 37.5 minus 1. What is that value? 37.5 minus 1 is 36.5. Which option is correct one? Option 2 is correct. Next, a truck traveling at 70 km per hour uses 30% more diesel to travel a certain distance than it does when it travel at speed of 50 km per hour. If the truck can travel 19.5 km per hour of a diesel at 50 km per hour, how far can the truck travel on 10 liters of diesel, 10 liters of diesel at a speed of 70 km per hour? Here observe students, if truck is traveled 70 km per hour, it will take 30% more diesel than if truck is travel to 50 km per hour. 50 km per hour తో కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటే 70 km per hour తో ట్రావెల్ చేస్తే truck will take 30% more diesel. Next here, if the truck can travel 19.5 km per hour kadamma, 19.5 km on 1 liter of diesel, on 1 liter of diesel. That is the correct one. 1 liter of diesel will take 19.5 kilometer at 50 kilometer per hour. If a truck travels 50 kilometers per hour, 60 kilometers per hour, it will take 19.5 kilometers 1 liter. 1 liter will take 19.5 kilometers. 1 liter పెట్రోల్ డీజిల్ కన్జ్యూమ్ కావాలంటే 50 కిలోమీటర్ పర్ అవర్ తో ట్రావెల్ చేస్తే 19.5 కిలోమీటర్స్ కి 1 లీటర్ డీజిల్ ఇస్ కన్జ్యూమ్డ్. నెక్స్ట్, ఇఫ్ దట్ ట్రక్ ట్రావెల్డ్ 70 kilometers per hour, it will take 30% more diesel. That means I will take 100% value is 19.5 kilometers. Here 30% more means 130%. Here 130 more value అంటే డీజిల్ ఏం కావాలి మనకు? డీజిల్ ఈస్ 30% మోర్ అంటున్నాడు. దట్ మీన్స్ 100 parts is 19.5 kilometer. 130 అంటే మోర్ డీజిల్ కావాలా? మోర్. ఇక్కడ వాల్యూ ఏమొస్తుంది? 130 మోర్ అంటే ఇక్కడ లెస్ వాల్యూ రావాలి. 1 liter will takes a less distance. Here 0 cancel it. Here this value is less రావాలా more రావాలా? ఇక్కడ distance is less రావాలి. less అంటే less by more into side. 10/13 into 19.5. Here cancel it. 1 so 6. 1.1 19.105 15 kilometers. If a truck travels at 70 kilometer per hour, it will take 15 kilometer. 1 liter diesel will consume to the 15 kilometers. 1 liter diesel is 15 kilometers. 15 kilometers. To travel 10 liters of diesel at speed of 70 kilometer per hour. 72 kilometer per hour వెళ్తే 1 liter diesel will consume for the 15 kilometers. అలా 10 liters. 10 liters means 10 liters value is 150 kilometers. 150 is a correct one. Which option is correct one? Option 4 is a correct. Next, X and Y working together can do a piece of work 10 days, where Y and Z working together can do the same work in 13 days. All three works together to do a job for which they are paid 300 rupees. If Y share is 160 rupees, then what is the X share? Here find out the X share value. Here, X and Y working together can do a piece of work in 10 days. X plus Y can do a piece of work in 10 days. Next, Y and Z working together can do same work in 13 days. Y and Z can do same work in 13 days. All three work together a job which they paid 300 rupees. Y's share is 160 rupees. Y's share is 160 rupees. Here 3 persons share is 300 rupees. What is the X share value? What is the Z share value? I will take X share value is T rupees. I will take X share value is T rupees. What is the Z share value? Total value is 300. Y share value is 160. 300 minus 160 is 140. That 140 share is X and Z. X and Z share is 140. Here I will take X share is T rupees. What is the Z share? 140 minus T is the Z share. Here find out the LCM. What is the LCM value? LCM is 130 units. Here total work is 130 units. What is the 1 hour? 1 day unit. What is 1 day unit? 10 into 13. 10 into 13 is 130. 13 into 10. 13 into 10 is 130. Here 1 day efficiency is 13 units. So here 1 day efficiency is 10 units. Y and Z 1 day efficiency 10 units. X and Y 1 day efficiency 13 units. Here find out the values. ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి అమ్మా, x plus y. Here X Y plus Z, Y plus Z efficiency, 1 day efficiency 13, this value is 10. These are the efficiencies. Their amounts, Y amount is 160 rupees, X amount is 2 rupees, Z amount is 140 minus T. Substitute that values here. Substitute that values here. What is the X value? X value is T. Plus what is the Y value? Y value is 160. Next, what is the Y value? Y value is 160. And next, what is the Z value? Z value is 140 minus T. 140 minus T is equal to 13 by 10. Here cross multiple change T plus 160 is there. This value is 300 minus T. 300 minus T. Here cross multiple change 10 into T. 10 into T is 10T. Next 13 into T is 13T. 10T plus 13T, what is the value? 23T. 23 T. Next here 160 into 10. 160 into 10 is 1600. Next 300 into 13. What is that value? That value is 3900. What is the difference value? 2300. This difference is 2300. 23 parts is 2300. What is the 1 part value? 1 part is 100 rupees. T value is 100 rupees. Here what is the X share? X share value is X is equal to T. T means 100 rupees. 100 rupees is correct one. Which option is correct one? Option 3 is a correct. A group of men decided to do a job in 8 days, but since 10 men dropped out every day, The job got completed at the end of 12th day. How many men's were there in the beginning? Here, find out the men's value at the beginning. Find out the men's in the beginning. We don't know the men's in the beginning. I will take X men's. I will take X men's. X men's can complete the work in 8 days. X men's can complete the work in 8 days. What is the total work value? X into 8. Total work is X8. Total work ఏమవుతుంది 8X. This is the total work. Next observations. 10 men's dropped every day. 10 men's dropped every day. First day X men's are working. Second day is X minus 10 men's are working. Third day is X minus 20 men's are working. Fourth day is X minus 30 men's are working. That means first day X men's are working. Next, second day how many men's are working? X minus 10 men's are working. Next, third day how many men's are working? X minus 20 day, X minus 20. Here third day how many men's are working? X minus 20. That means third day is here 20. ఇక్కడ థర్డ్ డే వచ్చినప్పుడు 20 వస్తుంది. హియర్ ఫస్ట్ డే సెకండ్ డే వచ్చినప్పుడు X minus 10 is there. ఫస్ట్ డే మీన్స్ X. అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. హియర్ 2 వస్తే 10 వస్తుంది, 3 వస్తే 20. నెక్స్ట్ 4. ఫోర్త్ డే is X minus 30. Here they are working 12th day. 12th day ఏమొస్తుంది చెప్పండి? 12th day. 12th day means X minus 110. X minus 110. That are the 12th day. Here how many members are there? X 12X. That value is 12X. And next minus common తీసుదాం. ఇక్కడ 10 20 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus and so on 110 and so on 110. Here observe students, this is the 8X. What is the difference value? 8X is there, 12X. 8X and right side పంపిస్తే 12X minus 8X is 4X. Next this value left side వస్తే ప్లస్ అవుతుందా? ప్లస్ అవుతుంది. That value is 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus and so on plus 110. What is the sum value? Sum ఎలా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి? Here how many numbers are there? 11 numbers. So 10 20 30 up to 110. How many numbers are there? 11 numbers. So formula is n by 2 into first number plus last number. Here first number is 10. What is the last number? Last number is 110. Here what is the n value? How many numbers are there? 11 numbers. 11 by 2 is there. 11 by 2 into 120. This value is 60. What is that value? 11 into 60 is 660. 60 is equal to 4X. What is the X value? Cancel it. Cancel to just here ones and next 6 5. So 165 members are there at the beginning of the work. Total how many members are there? 165 members are there. Which option is correct one? Option 4 is correct. The sum of the digits of 3-digit number is subtracted from the number. It result a 2-digit number. This process of subtracting this sum of the digits of the number from that number is continued further with that resulting 2-digit number. Which of the following is the factors of a resulting 2-digit number? ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏం చెప్తున్నాడు? Starting 3-digit number is there. Starting 3-digit number is there. That 3 digits number sum is subtracted from that 3 digits number. After that you will get a 2-digit number. After that you will get a 2-digit number. Again that 2 digits number sum is subtracted from that 2 digits number. దాన్ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే వచ్చిన వాల్యూ వచ్చిన వాల్యూస్ కి what are the factors? Here I will take a 3 digits number. What is the smallest 3 digits number? 100. 100 is the 3 digits number. What is the sum of these 3 numbers? What is the sum of these 3 numbers? 1 plus 0 is 1. Subtract 1 from 100. What is this value? This value is 99. Again this process is continued. What is the sum of 9 plus 9? 18. 18 is subtracted from 99. What 18 is subtracted from? What is this value? 81. This is the 81 value. What are the factors of 81? What are the factors of 81? And 9 into 9 is 90, 81. Here, 5 is the factor of 81. This is not a factor of 81. 7 is the factor of 81. 7 is not a factor of 81. Here 8 is not a factor of 81. 9 is the factor of 81. Next, 11 is the factor of 81. Not, this is also not. What are the factors? Next, 3 into 27 are the factors. Allow observe chain factors. 9 is the factor. Regula, you are correct. Please give me remaining persons also reply, students. Please give me reply. Out of four numbers A, B, C and D, each pair of the number has the same highest common factor. Find the highest common factor of all the four numbers. If the least common multiple of A and B is 310, that of C and D is 651. Here, find out the highest common factor. Find out the highest common factors of at least A and B and C and D. A and B, C and D common factors. Here, what are the highest common factor? And highest number observe cheyandi. Here, which one is the highest number? This is the highest number. That number is divided. 310 is divisible with 35. 310 is divisible with 35. No divides. Here, this option is eliminated. Next, which one is the highest number? 32 is the highest number. Next, observe students. 310 is divisible with 32. No divides. That's why option 5 also eliminated. Next biggest number is 31. Here observe. 310 is divides with 31. 31 divide అవుతుందా డివైడ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ డివైడ్స్. నెక్స్ట్ 651 it divides with 31. Here 651 divided by 31. 31 2 ja 62. Next 31 is there. 31 1 ja 31. Here divides. That's why option 3 is a correct one. Next, two stations A and B are 831 kilometers apart from each other. One train starts from station A at 6 a.m. travels towards station B at 69 kilometers per hour. Another train starts from station B at 8 a.m. and travels towards station A at 57 kilometers per hour. At what time will they meet? Here observe students. Here how many stations are there? Here two stations are there. Two stations are A and B. Two stations are there. One train starts at station A at 6 a.m. One train starts at 6 a.m. towards B at 69 kilometers per hour. 69 kilometer per hour. Another train starts from station B at 8 a.m. at 8 a.m. and travels towards A at 57 kilometer per hour. 57 kilometer per hour. This train is moving in this direction. This train is moving in this direction. At what time they will meet? At what time they will meet? ఇక్కడ అవి మీట్ అయ్యేది ఎక్కడో మిడిల్ లో మీట్ కావాలా? ఎక్కడెక్కడో మిడిల్ లో మీట్ అవుతాయి. అట్ వాట్ టైం they will meet? Here observe students. This train starts at 6 a.m. This train starts at 8 p.m. What is the difference value? 2 hours. In the 2 hours, this train travels some distance. In 2 hours, that means 8 a.m. In 2 hours, this train travels some distance. How much distance is traveled? 69 into 2. What is that value? 138. 138 kilometers is traveled. What is the remaining distance? This total distance is 831. What is the remaining distance? Subtract 8. Here 11 minus 3. What is the 11 minus 3 value? 831 is there. Here 140 subtract చేస్తే 140 is లేకపోతే చేయండి. 11 8 3 next 9 next 7 6 693. This is 693 distance. Here which time they will meet అంటున్నాడు. What is the speed? They are moving in opposite direction. They are moving in opposite thing. What is the relative speed? Add these speeds ని యాడ్ చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది? 69 70 56 అని తీసుకోండి. 70 plus 56 value is 136. Here denominator value is 136. Numerator value is here 136 or 126. What is that value? 70 126. This is 126. Cancel it. 6 2 ja 6 1 ja 6 1 ja 6 1 ja 6 5 ja points. So 6 5 ja. Next 21 21 5 ja 105. Next remainder is 10 point is there. Next 5 5.5 5.5 means 5 hours 30 minutes. So 5.5 means 5 hours 30 minutes. After 8 a.m. 8 a.m. తర్వాత 5 hours 30 minutes లో మీట్ అవుతారు. Here 8 plus 5 is 13 13.5 13 and a half hours. That means 1 hour 30 minutes. They will meet at 1 hour 30 1 hour 30 p.m. They will meet each other. Which option is correct one? Option 5 is correct. Next, a wholesaler blends two varieties of tea, one costing 30 per kilo and another costing 55 per kilo. The respective ratios of quantities they were mixed in the ratio 5:2. If sold the mixed variety 40 per kilo, how much was its profit percentage? Here find out the profit percentage. The respective ratio quantities are mixed in the ratio 5:2. I will take one pot is 5 kgs, another pot is 2 kgs. I will take one pot is 5 kgs, another pot is 2 kgs. These 5 kgs of tea, here two blended tea, 5 kgs sold at 30 rupees per kg. Next, these 2 kgs sold at 55 per kg. 55 per kg. Total 7 kgs are there. 5 kgs value enta 30 into 5 is 150 rupees. This is the cost price. Next, 2 into 55 is 110. What is the cost price value? 260 is the cost price value. Next, observe students. These 7 kilos are sold at 40 per kilo. These 7 kgs are sold at 40 per kilo. 7 into 40. 7 into 40. What is this value? This is the selling price. What is this value? This value is 280. Selling price is 280 rupees. Cost price is 260 rupees. What is the profit value? Profit is 20 rupees. Profit gets from cost price. Cost price is 260 by 260 into 100. Find out the 0 cancel later. Here next here cancel the 0 and place here 13 100. 13 by 100. 100 by 13. What is that value? 13 7 ja 91. What is the remainder? 100 minus 91 is 9. 9 by 13. 9 by 13 is a correct one. Which option is the correct one? 7 9 by 13. Option 5 is correct. Next, in 80 liters mixture of milk and water, the percentage of water is only 40%. Milkman gave 16 liters of this mixture to a customer and then added 16 liters of water to the remaining mixture. What is the percentage of milk in the final mixture? Here observe students. Here total mixture is 80 liters. Here 40% is the water. 40%. Here water is there, milk is there. 40% is the water. How many powder? What is the milk percentage? The remaining 60% is milk. 60%. What is the 60% value of 48 liters? So here 40% value is 32 liters. Next, 16 liters of the mixture to a customer. Here observe, a milkman gave 16 liters of the mixture to a customer. Here milkman gave 16 liters of the mixture. 16 liters of the mixture. Is 16 liters of mixture lo water content enta milk content anta. What is the milk content and water content value? Here observe students, here 40% ఇక్కడ మనం ratios calculate చేస్తా, 40% 60%, here 22 ja 23 ja. Here water content is 2 parts, milk content is 3 parts, they are in ratio of 2:3. Here what is the total parts? 5 parts. 5 parts is 16 liters. 5 parts is 16 liters. ఇక్కడ మనకు ఫైనల్ గా ఏం అడుగుతున్నాడు? వాట్ ఈస్ ది పర్సెంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ మిల్క్ ఇన్ ది ఫైనల్ మిక్చర్ అంటున్నాడు. హియర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ది మిల్క్ కంటెంట్. మిల్క్ కంటెంట్ మీన్స్ 3 parts. ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ది 3 parts. 5 తో క్యాన్సిల్ చేయండి. 5 3 జా 15, 5 2 జా 10. 1 part is 3.2. 3 parts ఏమవుతుంది అప్పుడు? హియర్ 9.6. 3 parts. Here milk is 9.6 liters. What is the water content? 6.4. Water is 6.4. Here observe students. Next, and then 16 liters of water is added. Here 16 liter is taken out and 16 liters of water is added. Final mixture లో ఏమవుతుంది? ఈ క్వాంటిటీ ఏమైనా చేంజ్ అవుతుందా? 16 liters mixture is taking out and 16 liters of water is added. వాటర్ కంటెంట్ అనేది మనకు మోర్ వస్తుంది. ఈ ఫైనల్ వాల్యూలో ఏమైనా చేంజ్ వస్తుందా? ఫైనల్ వాల్యూలో చేంజ్ కాదు. ఒకసారి 16 లీటర్స్ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేశాడు, 16 లీటర్స్ యాడ్ చేశాడు, అంటే ఫైనల్ గా అతనికి ఫైనల్ క్వాంటిటీ ఇస్ 80 లీటర్స్. హియర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ది మిల్క్ కంటెంట్ అంటున్నాడు. ఫైనల్ గా మిల్క్ కంటెంట్ అంటుంది టోటల్ ఇస్ 48. 9.6 liters is given to a customer. What is the remaining value? 9.6. 9.6 and subtract చేస్తే 38.4. 38.4. How many liters of milk is there? 38.4 liters of milk is there. How many liters of water is there? Here 32 minus 6.4. After that again 16 liters is added. Here what is the milk content? 38.4 into 100. Find out the percentage means 100. 0 cancel later. Here a point and 0 cancel later. Next calculate cheyandi. 8 4 ja 32, 8 64. 48% is there. Which option is correct one? Option 4 is a correct. Next, a bag contains 6 orange balls, 5 black balls and 4 yellow balls. If 3 balls are picked at random, what is the probability that 2 of them are black and 1 of them is yellow in a color? Here observe students, 2 of them are black and 1 of them is yellow. Here how many balls are picked? 2 plus 1 is 3. Here 3 balls are picked. Here how many balls are picked up? Here 3 balls are picked up. In these 3 balls, 2 are the black balls, 1 is the yellow ball. 2 are the black balls, 1 is the yellow ball. 1 is yellow ball. Find out the probability. Find out cheyali. Here total how many balls are there? Here 6 plus 1 6 5 4, 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 4 15 balls are there. Total 15 balls are there. 15 out of 15 balls 3 balls are picked up. That means 15 C3. 15 C3. Next 2 are black balls. Here how many black balls are there? Here observe students. Here how many black balls are there? Here 5 black balls. Out of 5 black balls 2 balls are picked up. That means 5 C2. Next here and is there. And means multiplication. Next 1 ball is yellow. Here how many yellow balls are there? 4 yellow balls. Out of 4 balls 1 ball is picked up. 4 C1. What is this value? This value 5 C2 value 5 into 4 by 2. What is that value? 10. Next 4 C1 value is 4. Next 15 C3. 15 C3 means 15 into 14 into 13 by 3 means 3 into 2 into 1. What is this value? 3 into 2 is 6. Here cancel it and multiple with 6. Here cancellation observe cheyandi. 5 2 ja 5 3 ja. Next 2 1 ja 2 7s, 3 1s 3 2s. Here what is that value? 4 into 2 is 8. 13 into 7 is 91. 8 by 91 is the correct one. Which option is correct one? Option 3 is correct. And next P took certain sum as loan from a bank at rate of 6% simple interest per annum. P lends the same amount to Q at 10% simple interest per annum. If at the end of 5 years, P made a profit of 600 from the deal, how much was original sum? Here observe students. P take a loan from the bank. P take a loan from the bank, and after that he gave to the customer. Here P take loan from a bank at 10% per at 6%. 6%. He pays a rate of interest is 6%. After that, P gives to a customer. What is the rate of interest percentage value? Here, 10 percentage value. 10%. He gives 6% of interest to the bank, and that amount is given to a customer. A customer pays a 10 percentage of rate of interest to the P. What is the difference value? This difference is 4%. These 4% profit to the P. ఆ 4% ఎవరికి ప్రాఫిట్ వస్తుంది? పీకి ప్రాఫిట్ వస్తుంది. ఎందుకంటే టోటల్ కస్టమర్ పీకి 10% పే చేస్తాడు. ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఇతడు ఏం చేస్తాడు? బ్యాంక్ ఎంత పే చేయాలి? 6% పే చేయాలి. రిజల్టెంట్ గా అతనికి 4% ప్రాఫిట్ ఈస్ దేర్. హియర్ how many years are there? Here total 5 years are there. Find out the SI percentage. Simple interest depends on time period and rate of interest. 5 into 4 is 20%. That 20% value is equal to 600. That 20% value is equal to 600. Find out the original sum. Original sum means a principal. Principal value always taking as 100%. Here percentage 21 so 25 so 1 part is 600. 5 parts value is how much? 3000. Which option is correct one? Option 1 is correct. Next, 5,200 was partly invested in scheme A at 20% per annum compound interest, compounded annually for 2 years, and partly in scheme B at 12% simple interest for 5 years. Both schemes earn equal interest. How much investment in a scheme? Here observe students. Here interest are equal. Interests are equal. What are that interest? One is compound interest, another one is a simple interest. A compound interest CA percent calculate formula is A plus B plus AB by 100. Here what is the A value? A value is 20, B value 20. 20 plus 20 40. Next 20 into 20 by 100. 400 by 100 is 4. 40 plus 4 is 44%. 44% of A is equal to. Next scheme B offers simple interest. Here rate of interest is 12%. Next time period is 5 years. So that means 12 plus 12 plus 12. All 5 times add chal, or 12 into 5 is 60%. 12% of A is equal to 60% of B. Here percentage cancel later. Next 4 11s. Next 4 15s. A by B is equal to 15 by 11. A by B is equal to 15 by 11. This is the what is A value? A and B investments value. What is the total value? 15 plus 11 is 26. 26 parts is equal to 5,200. Here find out the scheme A. Scheme A value. Scheme A means 15 parts. So find out the 15 parts. 26 1 ja 26 200. 1 part is 200. 15 parts is 3,000. 15 parts is 3,000. Here scheme A principal is 3,000 rupees. Next, A bought a certain quantity of mangoes at the cost of 2,100. He sold 2 by 7th of the mangoes at 5% loss. If A incurs a overall loss of 10%, at what percent loss did A sells rest of the mangoes? Here observe, he sold 2 by 7th of the mangoes. 2 by 7th of the mangoes at 5% loss. That means total how how many mangoes are there? Total 7 mangoes are there. Total how many mangoes are there? 7 mangoes. Out of 7 mangoes, 2 mangoes are sold at 5% loss. 5% loss. Remaining how many mangoes are there? 5 mangoes are there. Total 7 mangoes are there. Out of 7 mangoes, 2 mangoes are sold at 5% loss. Remaining 5 mangoes are sold. How, 5 mangoes are sold at what percentage? Here overall, here an overall loss of 10 percentage. Here this problem calculate with mixer and allegations. Here allegation here overall value is 10% loss. Overall value మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా ఇలా మిడిల్ లో రాయండి, మిడిల్ లో రాసుకోండి. Here observe students, this is the what are the ratios of 2:5. These are the ratios of 2:5. Here observe 10 and 5 difference is 5. Next here this value is between these two numbers. This value is between these two numbers. Here 5 is less than 10. ఇక్కడ ఏం రావాలి మనకు? More than 10 రావాలి. 10 plus 2 is 12. These 5 mangoes are sold at 12% loss. These 5 mangoes are sold at 12% loss. Option 1 is correct. And next, a bag contains 4 red balls, 6 yellow balls and 2 pink balls. If one ball is drawn at random from the bag, what is the probability that it is either red or yellow? Here how many balls are picked up? Here one ball is picked. Here either means a plus, either means a plus. Here red and yellow. Red balls, how many red balls are there? 4 red balls. One ball is picked means 4C1, that value is 4. And next here yellow ball, how many yellow balls are there? 6 yellow ball, that means 6C1. 6C1 value is 6 by total how many? 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12C1 value is 12. What is this value? 10 by 12. 10 by 12 value is 5 by 6. Which option is the correct one? Option 4 is a correct one. 12 liters of pure water was added to a vessel containing 54 liters of pure milk. 22 liters of the resultant mixture was then sold, and some more quantity of pure milk and pure water was added to the vessel in the respective ratio of 7:1. If the resultant respective ratios of milk and water in the vessel is 5:1, what was the quantity of pure milk added in the vessel? Here observe students, here pure water and containing pure milk is there. Here water 12 liters, milk is 54 liters. Water is 12 liters, milk is 54 liters. Next 22 liters of the resultant mixture was sold and some more quantity of pure milk. Here observe students, here 12 liters and 54 liters. What is the total value? This total value is 66. Mixture is 66. Are dividing in 12 54. What are the ratios? Ratios 12:54. What is the ratio? 6 2 ja 6 9 ja. They are dividing in 2:9 ratio. This 62 liters of mixture is divides in 2:9 ratio. Next here observe students, 22 liters of the resultant mixture was sold. In this 62 liters of a mixture, 22 liters is sold. 22 liters lo water content and milk content calculated, and the total parts is 11 parts. 11 parts value is 22. What is the 1 part value? 1 part is 11 1 ja 11 2 ja. 1 part is 2. Appo 2 parts emotundi 4 liters. Next 9 parts 18 liters. 4 liters of water, 4 liters of water and 18 liters of milk is sold out. What is the remaining milk? 36 liters. What is the remaining water? Remaining water is 8 liters. And next, some more quantity of pure milk and pure water was added to the vessel in the respective ratio of 7:1. After that, some quantity of milk and water is added. That ratio is 7:1. Here water is ratio is milk and water. Water is 1 part, milk is 7 parts. 1 part means I will take 1x. 1x. Here this is water is added 1x part. Next milk is added 7x part. Milk is added 7x part. After adding these values, the resultant ratio is 5:1. Resultant ratios of milk and water ratio is 5:1. Here how much part is there? 36 plus 7x. 36 plus 7x. And next 8 plus 1x. 8 plus 1x. This is the calculate change. Calculate what is the quantity of pure milk added in the vessel. That means find out the 7x value. Find out the 7x value. 7x multiples 7 observe change. All are multiples of 7. Here cross multiple change. 1 into 7x is 7x. 5 into x is 7x. 7x to 5x difference is 2x. Next 1 into 36 is 36. 5 into 8 is 40. What is the difference value? 40, 36. Difference is 4. What is the x value? X is equal to 2. Here find out the quantity of pure milk is added. Enta add chesadu? 7x value is added. 7x means 7 into 2 is 14. 14 liters of milk is added. And next, present age of Hari is equal to Gerg's age 6 years ago. 3 years ends, the respective ratio between the Gerg's age and Hari's age will be 7:5 at that time. What is the Hari's present age? Here observe students. The present age of Hari and Gerg's age 6 years ago was same antunadu. That means what is the present age of Gerg's? Here I will take present age of Hari is x rupees, x years. What is the Gerg's present age? X plus 6 ena. That means x plus 6. What is the age difference? Here age difference is 6 years. Hari and Gerg's age difference is 6 years. Age difference అనేది after 5 years or before 5 years or after 10 years. Age difference అనేది after 10 years అయినా, after 20 years అయినా, after 30 years అయినా, age difference is same. Age difference is same ఉంటుంది. 3 years ends, their ratio is given. Their ratio is 7:5. Half. After 3 years ends తర్వాత వాళ్ళ ఏజ్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఏమవుతుంది? సేమే ఉంటుందా? దట్ మీన్స్ హియర్ వాట్ ఈస్ ది డిఫరెన్స్ వాల్యూ? 7 and 5 difference is 2 parts. 2 parts value is equal to 6. Age difference is 6. What is the 1 part? 1 part is 3. What is the 7 parts value? 7 parts is 7 into 3 21. What is the 5 parts? 5 into 3 is 15 years. Here observe students. Hari age is 15 years. Gerg's age is 21 years. After 3 years తర్వాత their age are 21 years, 15 years. Hari's age at present after 3 years 15 అయితే present age ఏమవుతుంది? -3, 12 years. Present age of Hari is 12 years. Which option is the correct one? Option 5 is correct. Next, find out the quadratic equation. Here observe students. Here minus is there, here plus is there. Our roots are in positive. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉండి ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంటే అవర్ రూట్స్ ఆర్ ఇన్ పాజిటివ్. నెక్స్ట్ హియర్ ప్లస్, హియర్ ఆల్సో ప్లస్, అవర్ రూట్స్ ఆర్ ఇన్ నెగటివ్. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ప్లస్ ఉంటే అవర్ రూట్స్ ఆర్ ఇన్ పాజిటివ్. హియర్ ప్లస్ ఉంటే అవర్ రూట్స్ ఆర్ ఇన్ negative. And next here whatever here symbol is whatever. Here minus symbol unte our roots are in 1 plus root 1 minus root. Here observe students. Here what is the basic form of quadratic equation? Basic form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here what is the a value? A value is 2. Next what is the b value? B value is -13. What is the c value? C value is 12. This is the basic form. Here what is this value of c? C is 6. What is the value of a value is 1. Product ఏమవుతుంది 6 into 1 is 6. Here write down the factors of 6. Write down the factors of 6. 2 into 3. Here minus is there, here plus is there. Our roots are in positive. Here 2 plus 3 is 5. This sum is equal to b value. 2 plus 3 value is 5. Okay. Next here y coefficient is 2 is there. Multiple with 2. What are the roots? 4 comma 6 are the roots of x. Next here also a into c value is 42. Write down the factors of 42. 7 6 42. Here here minus is there, here plus is there. Here minus is there, here plus is there. Our roots are in positive. 7 or 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. Okay, these are the roots. Next, what is the x square coefficient value is 1. Multiple with 1. There is no use. Observe students, observe in 4 methods. One is observe vertical way. This is the greater one. Another one vertical. These two are equal. Next, observe here. This is the greater one. Observe here. This is the greater one. That means x less than y. X less than y. And equal also is there. X less than or equal to y. Which option is the correct one? Which option 1 is a correct? And next here find 8x square plus 18x plus 9. Here plus is there, here also plus is there. Our roots are in negative. Here a into c. 8 into 9 is 72. Write down the factors. 72 factors find 12 6 72. Here 18 is there. 18 means here 12 plus 6 is 18. Our roots are plus, so plus is there. Our roots are in negative. Minus 12 minus 6. Here what is the y square coefficient value? 4. Multiple with 4. And next here 4 into 2 is 8. Write down the factors of 8. 4 2 is 8. Here a plus is there, plus is there. Our roots are in negative. What is the x square coefficient value? X square coefficient is 8. Multiple with 8. Is there any cancellation? Is there 4 ones? 4 2. So what are the roots? Minus 2 into 2 is minus 8. Minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. Here observe students, which one is the greater one? Here this is the greater one. Next here which one is the greater one? This is the greater one. Next here which one is the greater one? This is greater one. This is greater one. One time is x is greater one, another time is y is greater one. Which option is the one time is x is greater one, another time is y is greater one. అప్పుడు రిలేషన్ చెప్పగలుగుతామా మనం? కాన్ బి డిటర్మైన్డ్. ఆప్షన్ 4 is a correct one. And next here plus is there, here also plus is there. Our roots are in negative. What is the product of a and c? 12 into 5 is 60. Write down the factors of 60. ఇక్కడ మనకు 19 వచ్చే విధంగా ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ రాయండి. 15 4 15 4s 90. Next here 19 is there. 15 plus 4 is 19. Our roots are in negative. Minus minus. Next what is the y square coefficient value? 3. Multiple with 3. Next 3 into 36. 3 into 36 value is 108. Write down the factors of 108. 108 కు ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఏం రాయొచ్చు చెప్పండి? 9 తో రాయొచ్చా? 9 1s 9 9 2s 9 12 9s 12 9s 108. Next here plus is there, here plus is there. Our roots are in negative. Next what is the x square coefficient value? X square coefficient is 5. Multiple with 5. Here observe students. So 15 into 3 is minus 45. Next 4 into 3 is minus 12. Next 5 into 9 minus 45. 12 into 5 minus 60. Here observe students, here these two are equal. Here observe, this is the greater one. Next here observe, which one is the greater one? This is the greater one. Here observe, which one is the greater one? This is the greater one. That means x is greater than y. Which option is the correct one? X is greater than y. Option 4 is correct. Next, 5x square minus 17x plus 14 is equal to 0. Here minus is there, here plus is there. Our roots are in positive. What is the product of A and C? 5 into 4 is 70. Write down the factors. 10 7 ja 70. Here minus 17 plus. Here 10 comma 7 are the roots. Next, 5 into 24 is 120. Write down the factors. 10 12 ja 120. Our roots are in positive. Next, what is the here? Observe students, y square coefficient value is 5 multiple with x roots. Here also 5 is there, multiple with 5. 5 5 I cancel later. 10 is there. 10 12. Observe students, which one is the greater one? These two are equal. Here observe, this is the greater one. Here observe, this is the greater one. Here observe, this is the greater one. That means x less than or equal to y. X less than or equal to y. Which option is correct one? Option 1 is correct. Next, here minus is there, here plus is there, our roots are in positive. 16 into 9 is 144. 16 into 9 is 144. 144 को factor sign 18 8s 18 8s 18 8s enta 144. Here our roots are in positive. 18 plus 8 is 26. What is the y square coefficient value? 20 multiple with 20. Next, 20 into 3 is 60. 20 into 3 is 60. Write down the factors. Here 60 రావాలంటే 12 5 ఏమవుతుంది 60. Here 16 is there. 10 6 60. Here our roots are in positive. Here what is the x square coefficient value is 16 multiple with 16. Is there any cancellation? Is there 4 5 4 4 ja multiple చేయండి 18 5 ja 18 5 ja 90 8 5 ja 40 10 here 40. Next 6 4 ja 24. Here write down the here check చేయండి 4 ways to which one is greater one? This is the greater one. Here which one is the greater one? This is the greater one. Next, here which one is the greater one? This is the greater one. These two are equal. That means x greater than or equal to y. X greater than or equal to y. Which option is the correct one? Option 1 is correct. Next, a data interpretation. A data related to a number of applications received by a university for the master's program in two subjects A and B during 5 years. Here A and B anistunadu. Observe change students. Here A and B is there. Next, here M and B. M and N. This is the M. This is N. This is M. This is N. This is the M value. This is n value. ఏమని చెప్తున్నాడు మనకు? అప్లికేషన్స్ రిసీవ్డ్. దిస్ ఈస్ m, దిస్ ఈస్ n. రిసీవ్డ్ మాస్టర్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ టు సబ్జెక్ట్స్ అంటున్నాడు. టూ సబ్జెక్ట్ m సబ్జెక్ట్ అండ్ n సబ్జెక్ట్. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ అప్లికేషన్స్ రిసీవ్డ్. దీస్ ఆర్ ది నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ అప్లికేషన్స్ రిసీవ్డ్. దిస్ వాల్యూ 50 0 50 100 150 200. Here observe 1 2 3 4 5. Here 5 are there. That means here 10 20 30 40 50. Next 60 70 80 90 100. That are the values. Here observe students. In 2018, out of the total number of applications received for subject M and N together, only 40% were accepted. What was the total number of applications accepted for subject M and N together in 2018? Here M and N, this is the 2018. How many applications are there? Here 270 applications are there. Here how many applications are there? 160 applications were there. What is the total value? 270 plus 160 is, what is that value? Of 430. 430 applications are there. Here 40% of applications is accepted. What are that accepted? Accepted certificate. That means 40% of 40 by 100. Here 0 0 0 0 cancel it. 4 3 is 12 16 72. 172 is the correct one. How many applications are accepted here? 172 172 applications are accepted. Next, what is the average number of applications received for subject M in 2022, 2020 and 2019? Here 2019, 2020 and 2022 M values. So what is this value? This value is 340. That value is 340. This value is 340. Next, what is this value? This value is 180. And next, what is this value? This value is 170. This value is 170. Find out the average. Find out the this 180 plus 170. 180 plus 170 ఏమవుతుంది? 350. 350 plus 340 is 350 plus 340 is 690. Find out the average. That means by 3. Here 230. 230 is correct one. Which option is correct one? Option 2 is a correct. Next, number of applications received for the subject N increased by what percent? 18 to 19. Here 18 to 19 increased N. Find out the N values. This N value is 160. Here one value 230. Here N value is 230. Increases and increase and observe change. 70 is increases. From where? From 160 into 100. Here cancel the 0. Here 0 cancel and placed here. ఇక్కడ మన క్యాన్సిలేషన్ చూడండి, అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. 16 తో క్యాన్సిల్ చేయొచ్చా? 16 తో 16 3 16 4 జా 64 64 60 is there. Next 16 3 is 48. Next 16 43 point something రావాలా, 43 point something. Which option is the correct one? Option 5 is correct. Next, in 2022, 20% of applications received for subject M and 15% of applications received for subject N were from the international students. What was the total number of international applicants for the subject M and N together in 2022? Here observe students, this is the 2022 value. In 20% application received from M, 15% of application received from N on international student. What is the international in M and N? Here what is the M value? Here M value is 170. Next here what is the N value? Here N value is 280. Here find out the 20% of 170. What is the 10% value is 70. No, 20% value is 34. Next 15% value. What is the 10% value? Here 10% value is 28. This is the 10%. Here 15 is there. 10 plus 5. What is the 5% value of 10% value is 28. 5% means 14. What is the total value? Here 8 16. 5 plus 2 7. 76 applications. 76 is the correct one. Which option is correct one? Option 5 is a correct. Respective ratio of total number of applications received for this subject M and N together in 2021 and 2023 is 4:5. What was the total number of applications received for subject M and N together in 2023 అంటున్నాడు. Here observe students, total number of applications in M and N 21 and 23 relation. This is the 21 value. Next to 23. Here what is the total value? This value is 200. Here what is this value? This value is ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. This value ఏమవుతుంది మనకు? అది అక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే దిస్ ఈస్ ది 300. 310 320. వాట్ ఈస్ ది టోటల్ వాల్యూ? టోటల్ వాల్యూ ఈస్ 520. Total is 520. 520 parts is 4. 4 parts is 520. 4 parts value is 520. Find out the 5 parts value. 5 parts value calculate cheyandi. Here 4 1 ja 4 3 ja 130. 1 part is 130. 5 parts is how much? 130 into 5 is 650 is correct one. Which option is correct one? Option 4 is correct. Next ఇవి కూడా అంతే, మా ఇక్కడ వాల్యూస్ ఉంటాయి. వాల్యూస్ లో వాల్యూస్ ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. మీరు హోంవర్క్ చేయండి. ఇవి సింప్లిఫికేషన్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయండి. హియర్ అబ్జర్వ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఇక్కడ ఆ డేటా అనాలిసిస్ ఇస్తున్నాడు. ఇక్కడ మన క్వశ్చన్ తప్పు ఉందమ్మా, ఇక్కడ వాల్యూస్ అనేది కరెక్ట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా లేదు, వాల్యూస్ అనేది మనకు ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా లేదు, క్వశ్చన్ తప్పు ఉంది. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, ఈ మెథడ్ వచ్చేసి మామూలుగా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయొచ్చు, చేయండి, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి, కానీ మనకి ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ రాంగ్ ఉంది. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ.